Okay, we're gonna wander down Rua de Pedra, and just give you the context. There's more of it down that way, and we just came off this Rua de Potane down that way. But our focus is going to be, and there's Camoish Park up there in the hills, so we're going to be kind of walking around on the side of it, down this little alley right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we go down Rua de Potane, I just want to make sure that everybody knows that this street actually goes down, kind of goes around the corner in this space down here too. So it's also kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Temple. They're playing mahjong in there. It sounds like some kind of. So this is also Rua de Pedra as well. So there's a name there, Rua de Pedra. Goes around. There's a nice little. I think we might end up going down that one anyways. So we're gonna head down our alley. Camoish Park is pretty popular park. I don't think we're gonna be able to see much at this time because of the time of night. But these alleys at nighttime are really cool. You'll see how photogenic it is. Looks like they're doing some construction here too. There's a lot of construction everywhere in the city. Oh yeah. Okay. I know exactly where we are. Rua de Pedra. I've filmed in here a few times. It's more interesting over here. See, this is Rua de Palmeira. Then right here there's a beautiful temple, but the temple, it's nighttime as well right now, so can't really see it. And then on the other side of this is Camoish Park. And over here is this little plaza space. So I think that Rua de Pedra, we could see it come around this way, and then there's this beautiful little park in this space right here. So I think what we're gonna do is walk in it, check it all out. And you got this little space right here, so this is for your feet. If you walk on that, you can feel the circulation of it. Oh, feels good. Okay. Oh, he's got a bird there. That looks cool. Got a. It's good. Got a bird. Very good. Yeah, it looks cool. It's nice. It's very cool. Nice, okay. It's kind of interesting, right? Okay, so we're kind of in this little patio area. We're going to come back around, and I think Rua de Pedra comes around the corner. So I think this is also Rua de Pedra as well. So it kind of includes this little, let me just make sure. Yeah, so this is kind of where we started, I'm pretty sure. Let's kind of go back and confirm. So those are the alleys in there that we came out one. It's Rua de Pedra. So yeah, so basically this kind of goes in a circle. So I went that way, then we came around this way. And so yeah, so interesting little street. And it looks like it includes that little space in there. So okay. Rua de Pedra, and now we're kind of, oh, now it changed. So there was Rua de Pedra up until that spot, then this one is called Patio, so they call this one the Patio instead. Moon Tower. So I guess this little patio, but then I think this patio is that little space in there. So we'll just go a little bit further and then we'll end this one. So kind of interesting. Kuwait Park in the background. That's that little park that we were at a little while ago. It's like it's getting a little too dark for filming. You can see there's lots of cool stuff everywhere. Then we'll end it right with that little thing. It's our focus.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
chiquinha.